Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI. Do you love a good behind the scenes look at famous historical figures? This book is Elizabeth the Queen, The Life of a Modern Monarch. It's by Sally Bedell Smith, and she's the same author of the book Prince Charles. So this is fascinating to me because Queen Elizabeth, from the moment she became queen at the age of 25, she has been admired, she has been scrutinized. You get to see only so much of who she is. So I've always wondered about the person she was behind the camera, behind the scene, who she was when she was with her family, her friends, what her life was like, maybe even what her life could have been if history didn't place her in that position at the age of 25. I really enjoy this book because whether you're a fan of Queen Elizabeth or not, it gives you a better view, a more rounded view of who she was as a human being, not just her title or what history will say about her decisions or her actions. I like the background information. I like hearing voices of people who knew her well. I find real historical biographies about people, especially people in positions of power, to be very interesting because it really humanizes them, brings them down to my level. And I found the story to be heartwarming, and I feel like I know her better as just a person who loved her family and loved horses. So if you're interested in a really good biography about a historical figure, specifically, of course, Queen Elizabeth, then you might find this book interesting too. It was an excellent read, and I really enjoyed the photographs as well. And that is my point of view.